seems like it's abandoned or something. Let's go to that door together. Let's go up the steps together. Let's just go down there. Follow me. Sure. Is he dead? What should we do? Let's get out of here. This place is creepy. I wonder if it's over here. Whee! Whee! What do you want to do now? Let's go skinny dipping. Sure. What was that? I saw a fish. That was so much fun. What do you want to do now? I wonder what's over here. Let's go inside that pipe. Ew, what's that smell? Sorry, that was me.
Oh, I need to work on this cannon. Who's that? I'm getting out of here.
Hey, wait, I need to ask you a question. Let's go get him. Stop that, you idiot. Save it for later. Hello, what's your name, man?
My name's Bob.
My name is Holly and my friend's name is Chelsea. This seems like a good time to kill you.
You will try.
What a dude, such a loser. That guy was a big freak. Let's get out of here, Chelsea. Yeah, let's get out of here, Holly. This place